As of 2025, scientists recognize approximately 11,032 bird species worldwide. This number isn't fixed, it shifts as new species are discovered, others go extinct, and taxonomic classifications change. Taxonomic classifications are like nature's filing system. They help scientists organize and understand the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Did you know that South America has the largest number of birds? Around 3,869 species live there, thanks to its lush tropical habitats. Oceania, including Australia, is home to approximately 2,305 species. North America has nearly 2,400 species, with the US alone home to over 1,200. Europe supports around 964 species, with the UK contributing 679. Birds are incredibly adaptable, and they thrive in nearly every environment, from icy tundras to dense rainforests.